Hello guys and welcome back to Blacksmiths Way. I'm down in my mine. I got new texture packs, facts, and I found diamonds. Oh, I'm water again. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish down here. I just want to show you that I'm doing this all legit because I got a really big cave. So yeah, I'll meet you after I finish mining. I'll see you back at the house. Bye. So you guys come back from mining. Whoa, creeper. Shit. There's a shit ton of monsters. I'm starving, but it's okay. So I got a farm here, which would come to use soon. Today I kind of want to make a quarry since I got a shit ton of diamonds. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Just gonna have a sleep. Because, did I wake up in the night? I need some food. Cook this chicken I got. Ow. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a quarry. Gonna power it by wind turbines, which yeah. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. But now I need to go to sleep quickly because it's night time. I'm scared. Yeah. So I kind of want to make a jetpack, but I can save that for another day. Just cook up some ore that I have. So yeah, as you can tell, I got a shit ton of ores. Got, what's this? Invar. Yeah, I've made Invar. I'm doing okay. For ores. No problem, that one. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and make a quarry now, but I'm not sure how successful that's gonna be. But yeah, so quarry. That is a lot of diamond. Right, so let's see how to make diamond gears. Gold gears, I need iron gears, I need stone gears, I need wooden gears. So I'm gonna have to go through like all the stages of materials. That's going to be annoying. Okay, so let's get some wood because I'm gonna need loads of. Wait, how many gears am I gonna need? Well, how many gears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gears. So let's make 7 here. That's 2. I'm just going to make, so I got 2. Make a little more. I'm always going to need some torches, so sticks, and then all my same torches. That's going to be enough. Now I'm going to need some cobblestone, which I dumped all in a chest. Yeah, so mining, you do get quite a lot of cobblestone, which is really annoying. But good for times like this, I guess. Alright, so I'm still going to need 7 of these. 7. And I'm going to need 7 of these. Means I'm going to need a bit. 8 more iron. Do I have any more iron ore on me? No. In the chest. Oh yeah, I got 7 here, I did see that. Well, drop some iron. Put them in here. What's this? Tin. Don't really need tin. So I've got 1 iron in my thing, so just need to wait for these to cook, which would be quite a while. So yeah, make a quarry in this one, really. I could just gonna wait while I'm waiting for that. I could start. So I'm gonna need three gold. Oh, I'm not gonna have enough. So it's gonna be 2. It means I'm gonna need more gold, which is gonna be annoying. Can fit 2 around here, and I need 3. So nah, that is very annoying. Maybe I could check a chest or something. No. Just check these chests for 1, 2 more pieces of gold. That's all I need. Oh, that's so annoying. Oh, I got stone gear here already, which is really annoying. Can I make gold somehow? Maybe. It's a long shot. What? Did I press on the wrong thing? Gold. Oh, gold ore. Gold gravel ore. I swear I had loads of that. Maybe there's some more somewhere. Oh, copper and cinnabar, which makes. No, I think I'm just gonna have to. Maybe there's some gold. Whoa, that's a mess. That's why my mine is. I can't bother to fix that. I'm gonna make a quarry, so I don't need to go mining anymore. Yeah, I died over there by a zombie. That's deep underground, so maybe I left some. What's that? Aluminum? Don't need no aluminium, aluminum. I'm not really sure what it's called nowadays. Cows and chicken. Oh come on! I need some gold gravel ore. It shouldn't be that hard to find. Found a massive chunk of it, but I must have smashed that all into gold. Oh yeah, talking about smelting, I'm gonna make a smeltery soon. Got the seared bricks from that grout. I just smelted it into seared bricks. Yeah, so hopefully I will be able to make. Oh, I remember here. Maybe there's some gold. Oh, this looks like quite a nice place to mine some gold. Just need a bit of gold. Gravel, anything. Just gold. I think I'm just gonna try find just 2 bits of gold. Maybe some more ores, I'm not sure. 'Cause I'm probably gonna need a bit more iron. So yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Bye. So guys, I'm back from the mine with all my stuff, and I got a bit more gold, which would do good. 41 copper, that's going to be useful hopefully. Stick that in there. Stick all this cobblestone I've got, gravel, so only room for that. Just a little bit. Yep, so I'm gonna make a quarry and it's gonna be amazing, and I'm gonna not need to mine ever again. Which in some ways is good. Sorry. Ah, 2. Beautiful. Beautiful. There we go. Gold. And I need that stone gear. Oh no, I've got 2 on me. Oh, bit of lag there, which is annoying. Just put. There we go, iron. Now I think. Oh wait, now I need. I knew that I'd need some sticks, so let's get them out of there. Make the diamond pick. I'm not going to use that because I need that for the actual thing. There. Oh wait, I need 2 diamond ones. Oh, these look so cool. Alright, so it was there, that there, and there, and that there. No, all the way around. Don't need anything else. Oh no, I need 2 gold and a redstone there. And I need 1 more gold. Oh, lucky I mined quite a lot of gold. Just got enough. This is amazing. It's my luck. This is my luck. So stick that in there. Oh, of course I need an iron one, which means I need to smelt 1 more iron. But maybe I already smelted some. I'm not sure. Please say I've already. Oh, just 1 iron. This is amazing. I just got enough. Oh, this is crazy. Bam. These look so cool, these, whatever these things are called, gears. These gears look amazing. And I got redstone. Bam! Quarry. And for a quarry, you do need chests, I believe, because they come at the top, so just put there. Oh, I'm probably going to need more than just 1 chest. I'm going to need 2, so just... Oh, what's happening? Wow. Something just went on then. Just give myself 50. I'm confused what's going on, but yeah. I would make it all into tanks, but I probably have them for something else as well. So, and then 2 chests. For a double chest, I'm gonna need. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need probably. I would say 2 wind turbines because it would be quicker. Wind. Yeah, so making a wind turbine, these energy tablets are quite hard to make, and probably mean, well, like probably mean I need more gold, so I'm not gonna bother with that. So I'm just gonna take my wind turbine that I have and use that to power my quarry. Oh yeah, so I got a farm, which means I could eat, but yeah, but it's shit. Because you can't really, bread's quite hard to get because you use free, so that's annoying. But yeah, this quarry will get me loads of more diamonds hopefully, so I can make more quarries and just be easier. When I break it, well, electrical, when I break it, it makes a TV, which is pretty weird. I don't know where I should set up. Quite high. Yeah, so it gets more ore. That'll be good. Oh, I'm stuck in more. Oh, that's annoying. Top of this mountain? Looks like a good place, maybe. You okay? I broke my shovel when I was mining for that shitty gold, just to make this quarry. So annoying. Yeah, but I should get more shit to make more shitty shovels. So, a lot of shit involved in this shitty process. Yeah, okay. Top of the mountain. Woo, feel like I'm on Lion King. What movie? Haven't seen it. That's not really where I wanted. Oh no, fuck off. Someone's attacking me. There's a naked dude. Oh my god. Do do do. Oh, that's it. I look amazing. Where's F5 count? Oh, I got my welding. Wait, there's a guy in the background. Sir, stop ruining the photo shoot. Oh yeah, I'm so hot. Oh shit, he's coming. He's coming. Paparazzi. Where's my bodyguard? Fuck. Ah, oh, fuck off. Oh shit. Oh no, that's. Oh my god. Shit. I'm gonna make a bear sword now. It's time. Did I leave my sticks with him? I made loads of sticks. I got osmium. Osmium. Yay. Osmium. Please. Oh, I left my sticks with him. I made so many. I made a shit ton. Again with the shit. Stop saying shit. I can't help saying shit. Shit. Alright. Sticks. Sword. Oh. It's called slasher. Why do all the swords have slasher underneath them? That's really annoying. Let's go. Home, shitty home. Why is everything called shit? I mean, oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that placing. Look at that placing. It's amazing. It's probably gonna go on this. No, it's not. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I don't know what to say, but it's okay. Anyway, let's kill this bastard who killed me when I was getting my photo took. Getting a selfie with my zombie face, and paparazzi just come in like shit. Hands up. Anyway, come on. Where is he? Oh, as soon as I come, he's gone. What the fuck's this all about? Anyway, let's get the wind turbine. Let's get my sticks, my precious sticks. They're so hard to come across these days. Precious sticks. Take the quarry, take the quarry. Please don't break, please don't break.